How are we doing today? We are doing an early morning POV. It is currently, let's see what time it is, fellas. It's currently 5:48 a.m. Technically 6 a.m. So, I've been wanting to do this video for the longest, and we finally did it, chat. I have an early morning POV drive, sunrise. So, what I'm looking at is, this is north. So we're gonna stay north to capture the sunrise. My last video, I wanted to let you guys know that we were on day 11 and my video uploading status did not hit the time that I was supposed to hit. It was at 85% when I was leaving the crib and it never finished uploading. So, it was a delayed video. I posted it really late, kinda, upset about it, but it's alright. We ball anyways, you know what I'm saying, chat? So come drive with me in a 2025 Toyota Camry SE all-wheel drive, a hybrid. Just come with me as I drive to the sunrise. Like, y'all can't tell me that view is beautiful. Like, just spending a couple minutes outside and just enjoying life in the morning is peaceful. Because the world actually isn't up. People aren't really up at 5 a.m. unless you're a doctor or you're a business person, you know what I'm saying? Everybody's usually asleep. The world is quiet. Life is peaceful once everybody starts getting up. You know what I'm saying? Come with me on this little journey we take together, chat. We are on day 12 now. And it's supposed to rain again? Sheesh. Which way do we get out of here? Let's just go this way. So what we're getting out of this video, chat, if y'all don't realize, is it's a sunrise little POV drive, which means you just get to see the beautiful morning. Start waking up, the nice orange, we're getting to yellow. Yo, I think this was the road that I took yesterday. There's no way I ran into the same road. No way. Yep, it is. That's insane. Okay. I don't even drive like this. I don't know how you guys drive like this. Ooh, I think I might have hit a bird. I don't know, I just feel NPC when I drive like that, you know what I'm saying? 6 a.m. is when everybody starts getting up, probably, most likely. Say 60% of people. Perfect, we chased sunrise. Sunrise is beautiful today. I like the colors. I actually shook up this sweet tea this time. I'm not really in a talkative mood because I'm really not a morning person, chat. But I did promise you guys that I would get a video for the sunrise, and I did. Garage sale 9 to 4 today? Wow. Looks like somebody's trying to make some extra cheese. I like good girl. I like bad girls. Yes, sir. I'm just gonna keep going down that way. Going down the bayou. Going down the bayou. Going down the bayou. I gotta find a good area where I can get another photo, and then that's where we're gonna end the video. But it's a chill little video, you know what I'm saying? Not pretty calm, pretty calm. We out the way. We in Bain Bridge. Big bridge. Like good girls. Buddy is still riding me. He must like it. Bro, who is this guy? Keeps trying to follow me. I don't know him. Bro, who is he, bro? I was about to say. Like good girls. Actually, I was about to go here. Let me go to this antique store. Let me grab a couple items, you know what I'm saying, chat? Today I'm feeling like a GTA day. It's not a real day, but it's gonna be another side mission. Today is Friday, May 22nd. Happy early weekend, chat. Happy early weekend, chat. Where is this place at? Oh, it's right here. Wish me luck, chat. I feel like I'm about to die here. I'm trolling. Make sure you guys do subscribe at theOnlycarter, and I'll see you guys in the next POV drive. Real soon. It could be actually later tonight. Alright, love YouTube. Make sure you guys do subscribe at theOnlycarter, and I'm gonna catch you guys.